How are you all and everyone? Have a good day to all. Kumusta kayo guys? How's your morning? How's your day? So yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Todo ako dadaan na naman guys. So gusto ko kasi itong mga flowers dito ni ate. Ayan, ganda-ganda ng mga flowers ni ate. Ayan si Dugden. Feeling niya talaga. Feel na feel niya dyan sa daanan. Ayun, ang gaganda ng mga flowers ni ate. So, yun lang guys. Dito tayo. So, I feel fresh here guys, park kasi mga greens at may back. Yun. Very refreshing. So, yun lang. Thank you so much. And thank you for watching guys. Keep safe. And God bless us. Ayun, maraming tangla dito guys. O, kulang na lang manok para magsabaw. So, yun lang. Thank you so much.